Hello friends, so I'm back with a new video. This is of science. So NSO chapter 3, chapter 2, birds video 5. Match the columns and select the correct option. These are birds, these are foods. If you don't know what they eat, so you all know what parrot eats. Parrot eats chili, so it needs to be C1. This is not, it does not have C1, it does not have C1, it does not have C1, it has C1, B option, but if you want to check you can. So what will be bubble? B. Which of the following, which of the following is an incorrect match for climbing these? Yes. 2 at the back, 2 at the front. Yes, this is correct. They have asked incorrect. So it's not an option. For perching, no, because this is for swimming birds. So this will be your option. But if you want to check, you can. For scratching, yes. Scratching means, I don't know meaning of scratching. But this is for, these feet claws are for scratching. For catching prey, these ones. Yes. So what will be bubble? B. Here's the third question. Match the columns and select the correct option. Column 1, column 2. Penguin. Penguin has how feet? It has webbed feet. If you don't know, you know, hippo has a chisel-shaped beak. There should be D3. It does not have D3. It does not have D3. It does not have D3. It has D3. What will be bubble? B. Second last question for the video. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Perching birds have 2 feet, 2 front toes and 2 back toes. No. Hummingbird and sunbird have strong, sharp hooked beak. Yes. Birds have a beak without teeth. Yes. A tailor bird uses its beak to weave nests from grass, twigs and leaves. No. 1 and 3 only. But there is no option. 1 and 4 only. So what will be bubble? A. Last question for the video. Complete the following sentences by selecting the correct words from the given options. Feathers keep the birds warm. Body feathers. Not flight feather, not down feather, not down feather. So option A is gone. C is there, sorry. B is gone. B is gone. And D is gone. We are only left with C. So what will be bubble? C.